Multiply 6.5 by 0.75 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 6 plus the carried 2 is 32. The first partial product is 325. Now use the next digit to the left, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 5 is 35. Put 5 in this column and carry 3. 7 times 6 plus the carried 3 is 45. The second partial product is 4,550. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 5 is 7. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 5 is 8. In the thousands column, bring down 4. The product of the whole numbers is 4,875. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 4,875 becomes 4.875. So 6.5 times 0.75 is 4.875.